Very good afternoon, everybody. 3:20 market about to finish in 10 minutes, the weekly technical analysis session. But let me look at my existing positions and see if I need to get out. It's important that before the market finishes, we should not wait till 3:30. And today has been a regular day, an ordinary day. This is my position going on of ICICI Bank now. And I think with just about 10 minutes left, I would be more interested in finishing this position. Let me do that. I'm getting out of my ICICI Bank future position. And in this, I made less money than I expected. So money I made in this was about 687 rupees, but the expectation was much bigger. Lot size 2750. So, and this one did not move as expected. So somewhere around this level I took the position, but it has not moved so much, remains sideways almost for the whole day. So I'm finishing my day in this account with just about 1838 rupees. That's what I finished in profit. That is important. Every day cannot be a big profit day, even when you have not suffered a loss. Even a small profit, good enough to take care of your brokerages and costs, sometimes is a good day. It's are finished. Very important in the end to go and see if no pending order is left. Just check out, and I see that no pending order has been left now. So let's look at this market. 10,689 is where the spot is, and the first thing that I notice that the future is at 10,681, and it's very rare that even on the first day of the contract, the future is in a discount and not at a premium. So this is telling us a very substantial bearishness into the market, where on day one itself, the 28th June 18 future is at a discount of almost 8 rupees to the spot price, which is 10,687. So keeping this in mind, let's check out. And I also note that the buy quantity is less and the sell quantity is more, indicating further bearishness into the market. Let's open the charts. And this is the daily chart of the market. And let's see how this market has been behaving. We also have a good news that our GDP is growing at 7.7%. Ideally, this should have taken the market roaring up, but that has not happened. The market has continued to slide down today. So what did the market do? Went up. This was the first high the market made at 11,171. Then it came down and made this low of 9,953. So about more than 1,000-point range is in which the market has been moving in the last many months in this year. Then it went up and made a high of 10,926, which was lesser than the high it had made earlier, which means at this level itself, people start perceiving the market as expensive. Very important point to note. Earlier, it was at this level, everybody perceived the market as expensive. Now, at 1096, people perceive the market as expensive. Market is expensive. With the PE of the market more than 26, we know the market is expensive. But now this time, this is where a price rejection happened. Now, then the price came down. Let's keep on noting down the levels. At 10,415, the price got rejected on the downward side. And now we see that the price is getting rejected from this level. See here. So we have a lower high, and a lower high, establishing a downtrend. Establishing a downtrend into this market. And this is the trend line that is getting established. This is the trend line that is getting established on this side. This is the trend line the market is making. So right now we are into a volatile market which will become bullish above it and bearish below it. So we are in a volatile sideways market. Above this, I would see the market more bullish. Below this, I will see the market more bearish. And right now, this market is sideways. This is a sideways market that we are looking at this point. So let's patiently wait for this market to go somewhere. But this is the time when I would like to be more stock specific, work on my trends properly, and would not like to take my trade from one day to the next day. Would like it to finish it today and maybe tomorrow go into the trade again. Let's check out how are the various sectors doing. Mind you, the market consists of sectors, and all the sectors will not be bullish, all the will not be bearish. Let's check out the various sectors of this market. Auto, we note even when the market is trying to go up, auto has been a bearish sector. It is a sector that is moving down, and profit booking is what seems to be coming into this sector. Commodities have been selling off now and for many months, even though everybody say crude is going up, but commodity as a sector has been selling off, and shorting opportunities can be looked into this sector. Consumption has been a strong sector, and we are becoming a consumption drawn economy. That's a very good sign for us, and this is a sector where buying opportunities will be available. CPSE is weak. Energy has been a weak sector, and you can look at selling opportunities into this sector. Financial services was a strong sector, and today if you look at financial services, there is a profit booking that has come. In fact, this has been the high of this, and you see the market is almost approaching these levels. There might be a little upside left into this, maybe till this double top, but more or less, as I can see, this would be a good time to book profits in the stocks of this sector. Market going down, FMCG is always a strong sector, and as I can see, there is a continuation pattern, and there can be further buying opportunities that we can see in this sector. Can't say the same about infra. Infra has been a little expensive sector, and profit booking is coming in this sector now. IT was another sector that was holding the market, and this is a sector that has starting some profit booking, especially after the bonus shares of TCS have been issued. So I would not be very surprised to see profit booking there. And today TCS is already down 0.5%, and you can see that there is a downward trend that is started. Watch out for this stock. Media is a weak sector, we can see it has been selling off, and metals has also been a weak sector. MNC has started selling off. Pharma is weak. You see the way pharma has been selling down. Private banks, same like financial services, are coming on a double top, and this is a pattern in which profit booking comes up. Public sector enterprise have been selling off. PSU banks have been selling off, realty is selling down, and services is the one. So except three or four sectors: services, FMCGs, financial services, and private banks. These are the consumption. These are the sectors that have been holding the market up. Other than that, almost all the sectors have already started sliding down. This is not the best time to build portfolios, but this is a great time to do trend trading, to find out where downward trends or upward trends are getting established, and you can trade them. These are the top stocks of India. HDFC is sideways. HDFC Bank, you see, has formed a very prominent pattern today, and Monday might be a good day to initiate some short trades in this till this gap filling. ICICI Bank is another stock that is weak, and with the controversy that is around the ICICI Bank, market doesn't like uncertainties, so you might see further sliding down of the price here. Infosys is strong. I see breakouts coming in Infosys, and won't be very surprised if I see further upside in this stock. ITC is correcting. Kotak Bank has been a very strong stock which has rallied up, and this is a price rejection that has happened, and maybe some profit booking can come at this level. Larsen and Toubro, you see, sideways, volatile. Maruti was up almost 3% today, and after a nice correction, this is moving up, and you might see further upside into this stock. Reliance has been a weak stock. You see, in this whole year, with all the stocks going off, of this stock becoming bullish, I see this stock gaining more weakness and maybe coming down. You know, it can even come down if a sharp correction comes, maybe around this level of about 800 rupees. Okay, so this was the market, guys. Trade with caution, and I always say, as long as your profits are bigger and your losses are smaller, you will do wonderfully well. I live trade with my traders every day in my trading room, 9 to 11 in the morning. And one thing we have seen with experience is there is nothing called good or bad market. There is nothing called good or bad stock. It is the skill of the trader that decides whether the market is good for him or the market is bad for him. All the best. And I have a webinar in the night tonight, 9 to 11. The link is down. You can click on that and attend the webinar and learn some more about the stock market. Bye bye for now.